Yo guys, Robert here. Um, Doing a video this time on a project called Smartlands, mainly at the request of a close acquaintance, friend, I guess you'd say, because he has been raving about this project to me fairly recently, quite a little bit. Said, "Oh, I'll do a video on it. People will be interested." I think there are a few videos already done on Smartlands, but anyway, I agreed. Had a look over the website, did a little bit of Googling around, tried to pull a few things together just to give you an insight into what Smartlands is. So it's always a good idea to start with the About section on the website. Smartlands.io is their website address, and in the About Us section, which I'm currently on, it tells us the platform is designed to bring together asset managers, owners, investors by creating low risk blockchain based securities backed by assets in real estate, agriculture, the manufacturing sector, logistics, private equity, and others. So, a really large um, you know, array of different fields there that they are looking to implement themselves into. Um, Very ambitious, and if they are successful in one of those areas, then they should be okay. We have built risk-free infrastructure founded upon a legal framework explicitly established for security token offerings on Smartlands to maximize the safety and security on investing on the platform. Smartlands platform is built on the Stellar network and employs advanced blockchain technologies such as extended capabilities and fast transactions processing at low cost, enhanced securities of all process from issuance to storage to transfer of tokens for trading on the secondary market and others. Um, Essentially, it seems to kind of be operating like the coins are like essentially you're able to invest into opportunities that they are providing. So whether that be real estate or agriculture or others. So if we just have a little bit of a look here on the investment opportunities, something that really kind of perked my interest when my friend was telling me about this is that actually this is my hometown, Nottingham. So I can actually go and have a look at this project that they're looking to, raise money for to actually build. It gives you expected returns there. I don't know what they're basing that on, and the equity share. I had a little look, and I think the minimum investment is £1,000 or dollars. There we go, £1,000. So it's not a small amount for the average crypto investor, but for somebody that's made a little bit of bank from other coins or just has the money anyway, it might be something you look to um, invest in. I also noticed as well, actually, interestingly, when I was in the centre of Nottingham, that I did see this, and before I even knew about Smartlands, it did say, "Oh, investment opportunity." So I knew that there was building this, um, this student accommodation before I knew about Smartlands, funnily enough. And as you can see here, it tells me where it is, and I have seen this. I have seen the building. I've seen the area that they're looking to build this in. So I know it exists. I mean, often with crypto, it's like I can't put my hands on it. Well, I can walk and touch this building, which is quite interesting. Beyond that as well, one thing that really kind of interested me, just beyond the fact that they were building one of the first projects in, or one of the first investment opportunities was in Nottingham, was the fact that when I was just googling around and I noticed in their news that they had, I think it was in their news or on Google anyway, they'd partnered with a huge um, commercial real estate company um, called Colliers International. And again, you can Google around these. This is their website, and they are no joke. They have got a lot of employees and a lot of a decent, very healthy turnover. As you can see, Colliers International, one of the UK's top real estate advisory organisations, employing around 800 people in 14 full service offices through the UK and Ireland. So this is a company, like a serious company, and they've obviously seen something in what Smartland's are doing, and partnered with them. There's a little medium here as well. As we can see, Smartlands platform, a global security token issuance platform, has entered a general partnership with Colliers International, a top-tier global real estate services and investment management company. The goal of the partnership is to explore the possibilities of securitizing real estate in a digital world and to jointly create a Stellar-based real estate tokenization project based on select properties managed by Colliers International. So, really interesting stuff there. They've obviously made an impression and formed a really strong partnership right from the off, really, because from my understanding, um, this is a fairly new platform, so not bad at all. Also, this chap here, he is the CEO as Smartlands. Now, it's always worth having a quick if you are considering ever investing. It's always worth just having a look at who the CEO is, the CEO, etc., COO, etc. And he's obviously got a really solid profile here. We really comprehensive history and his and roles and what he did for his previous roles. I mean, look, finance director of, I believe, a football club here. Look, so he obviously understands finance. You can see that just by reading through his profile here. Not to undersell his skills, and he attended University of Oxford. For those of you that don't know, that's a really kind of difficult university to get into. So I think he got into University of Oxford in the business school. So all looks really positive from that point of view. Looking around the news section as well, there's really clean, really good communications coming out. I always look for communications. It's a really important factor, I think, for any investor in any investment, any company. Really, really important. So really clean communications coming out. CEO and the team, from what I've seen, look good. The idea seems to make it much more accessible in terms of investing into real estate for those that the average Joe that can't say, oh, he's 150 grand, I'm just going to go and buy a property and then lease it out. This is another way in, a much more accessible route. And for those that are already interested in crypto, it might kind of offer a little bit more stability behind where they are putting their money. So it's worth considering. If we have a look at CoinMarketCap, we can see one Smartlands coin is currently $3.54. So it's not particularly too much. And the really interesting thing here is that actually it's based on XLM on Stellar. Obviously, a lot of coins generally set up on Ethereum, Bitcoin, and Neo. So the fact that this has gone with Stellar is quite intriguing as well. Obviously, it has better functionality for what they're aiming to do. So that's also interesting as well. So, as always, I am not an investment advisor, financial advisor. This is just a video really exploring a potential opportunity for anybody who may be interested. I was certainly interested in finding out more. It might be something that I look to dabble in. I'll see, I'll see how I feel. But hopefully this video has maybe just broken down a couple of barriers, maybe perked your interest into what Smartlands is for you to have a little bit more of a look. If you know more than I do, please do leave some comments for other people who may read and myself who's also further interested. But other than that, thanks for watching, and hope to do some more videos soon. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you do like what you see on my channel. Cheers, guys.